Friends, today I'm going to show that how to set up Google Family Link on iPhone. To set up Google Family Link on iPhone, first you have to go to your Google Chrome browser from your iPhone. Then you have to write here Google Family Link. Like this, just tap on the first one. After that, tap on the first link, the Google Family, just tap on here. Then simply have to tap on sign in. Friends, before this screen, you have to sign in again. After that, you will find this interface and has written, does your child have a Google account? If your child have a Google account, then you have to tap on yes. But if you don't have account or Google account of your child, then you have to tap on no. So first I'll tap on no, then I'll tap on yes. So if you tap on no, it has written next to create a Google account for your child. This may take about 10 minutes, right? Add some personal info like your child's name and birthday. Pick a Gmail address and password. Link your account to theirs and agree to the parental consent notice. Use Family Link to set screen time limits and review content restrictions. So just tap on next and you have to follow the instructions to create a Google account, right? So you have to follow the instructions. After following the instructions, you have to link up with Google Family Link on your iPhone, right? So I'll go back, my friends. I'll tap on yes and see what is going on over there. Just tap on yes. And see has written, go on your settings and go on Google Parental Controls. After that, you have to give the permissions to Parental Controls, and then you can set up your screen time and the Parental Controls, right, on your iPhone. So friends, like this, if you want, you can set up Google Family Link on iPhone. Friends, to set up Google Family Link on iPhone, if you're facing a problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give you answers as soon as possible. If this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.